Replace the toner cartridge in HP LaserJet MFP E72530 series printers when the toner is low or empty. Open the front door to access the toner cartridges. Grab the handle on the toner cartridge and slide it out of the printer. Recycle your used toner cartridges. For more information on recycling empty toner cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Place the new cartridge on a flat surface with the contacts facing down. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging and rotate it until the contacts are facing up. Pull the red tape to remove it from the cartridge. Hold the new cartridge horizontally and shake it from side to side 6 times to evenly distribute the toner. Slide the new cartridge into its slot in the printer. Close the front door and resume printing.